And we've got some breaking news coming in now. The Modi government has directed sensitive ministries to completely stop using the Zoom app. The Prime Minister's office, the External Affairs Ministry, the Defence Ministry, the Home Ministry and Finance Ministries have been told in no uncertain terms to stop using the Zoom app under all circumstances. The video conferencing of government will only take place through the National Informatics Centre platform. That's an in-house government software for video conferencing. The NIC platform is the only video conferencing platform that is to be used by sensitive ministries. The Home Ministry, remember, had already issued an advisory on the 16th of April in this regard, and now the centre has once again red flagged the Zoom app, which has become one of the most popular and most downloaded app in India during the coronavirus lockdown. I want to go across to India Today. Senior Executive Editor Gaurav Sawant breaking the story first and exclusive here on India Today. Gaurav, take us through the details. The Home Ministry had already issued an advisory on April the 16th. Why has it been necessary to revive that advisory and perhaps escalate the level of warning?
Shiv, sensitive government ministries have been cautioned. They've been advised to avoid using Zoom under all circumstances, and in government to government interaction rely only on the NIC platform because of encryption, because of secrecy of data and conversation. There are, according to some reports, major encryption issues with the Zoom app. So government, while interacting with civilians outside, as one of my sources told me, it may have to use Zoom app when it's, for example, interacting with journalists in some instances, or outsiders in some instances where they're coordinating between civil and government. But within the government, they have to stay on the NIC platform. The same goes for Ministry of Home Affairs in its interaction with police forces or with state forces. They are to stay on the National Informatics Centre or on NIC because of encryption issues with Zoom. Several schools also, if I may, as an aside, several schools have also been directed to get off the Zoom app because of bombing of the Zoom app,
yes.
Others coming in, words or pictures and other obscene materials sometimes being posted by outside elements. Zoom is also in touch with some people who've complained at a private level, but government is saying, as far as government conversations are concerned, they need to be on a secure platform and a Government of India platform, and that is why they are only going to rely on NIC. How soon will this actually be implemented on ground at every level? Shiv, still remains to be seen, but this is a very clear warning to get off the Zoom app. Government has decided to log off the Zoom app, Shiv.
Big red flag on the Zoom app once again. Gaurav breaking that story here. More details will be brought to you in just a short.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.